Hey guys, welcome back in CodeSphere. So today in this video, I'm going to show you that how can we retrieve the data that we have inserted previously in our tutorials. So guys, here you can see that this is just fragment 4, and here there are some photos and the video, and again this video you can see, and again this photo. So here you can see that the video is streaming, and when I will click on this play button, you can see that the video is streaming absolutely good. And you can see that the video is streaming quite good. And if I will play this one, so you can see that you can do all these things in this photos. You can like it, and you can also do the comments here, you can see. And then guys, you can delete it, download it, and yeah, you can also download the videos. You can see that you can share it, download it, copy the URL. So all these features in this social media app. So today in this tutorial I will show you that how you can do this. So without wasting time, let's start. So guys, first of all, what here we will do is that we have to add some dependency of Exoplayer, because we will try videos and as well as photos, so we need it. So you can see that there is 5 dependencies that I'm now copying from my notepad, and then you have to implement, you have to paste it inside this Gradle build, understand, and then sync now. So after adding these dependencies, you will be able to implement Exoplayer, and that is the best open source library for retrieving videos in Android apps, understand. So guys, here you can see that the Gradle build is almost complete, understand. So now we can open the layout, because we will create the only layout file in this tutorial, because I just want to explain every small thing, because that's how you will understand the small differences. So here guys, first of all you have to click on this layout and then new layout resource file, and its name will be post underscore layout, enter. So now we have this very fresh layout file, understand. Then go to the split section, and now we can proceed here, understand. So guys, here first of all, after this what we will do is that you have to change this parent layout to card view, right? Card view, and yes, and you guys may be thinking that how I will do this, because we will retrieve both images and videos together. So after this you have to give the orientation, that will be vertical, and then height should be wrap content, yeah, not match parent, because it is a item for recycler view. So I hope you understood that. Layout margin 5 dp, understand. And then after this guys, here we are going to give card corner radius. It will just make this card more beautiful, that's why I'm doing this. 5 dp, understand. And then card background color, that will be Android white, no doubt it will be white. And then yeah, it's okay. Oops. So guys, after this here we can proceed. So simply write linear layout, and then match parent drop content, and then orientation vertical, and it is just, yeah, this guys, creating the layout file is sometimes the hardest part, because it consumes time. But you should have patience, because it's good to learn slowly, because when you learn things point by point, so it's easy for you to remind that thing, and then you can create better apps. Because if you will uh, try to learn everything, if you will try to learn everything without rapidly, so it will not work, yes. So you should keep patience, and just enjoy the learning, because always whenever you are trying to learn any technology, then you should keep patience. Because now we need here a circular image view, so we can take it, the codes, simply copy this, control plus C, go back, then paste it here. So now we have this card view. We have to change the height and breadth, 40 dp, 40 dp, understand. then card corner radius 20 dp, so it will make it circular. Understand, guys? This card corner radius should be half of its height and width. Understand? And then after this, here card corner overlap, and all the other codes are correct. Yes, and fit center. So just scale type. Let me make it center crop. Yeah, that's okay. So guys, after this we can proceed here, and later we will change the IDs too, but for now you can just proceed. So after this, guys, we are again going to use a linear layout, and that will be wrap content. Yes, and then here orientation will be vertical, because here we will use the name, and also so after this, here you have to do is inside this linear layout, guys, we will use something, and after that card view. So guys, let me tell you one thing, that we need this linear layout not here, we need this just after this card view. Control plus V. Yeah, now it's okay. So guys, here we are giving the orientation vertical, because we will drive the name, and also the time. Yes, so that is why. So let me open this related name question. It is for question, so we can type the text view, and that will be wrap content, then again wrap content, and text color will be obviously black, Android black, and then hint will be obviously it is our name, so we will give the name. Text size will be 15 sp, easily visible, not too much big, and then ID will be tv underscore name underscore post, and then padding start, that will be 5 dp, and then close it. After this, you have to just simply copy this text view, Control plus C, and then paste it here back. And after this, guys, here you have to change the ID, because that will be for time, tv underscore time for post. Understand? And also the hint will be time, so just give time. And now, guys, we have these two things, and now you have to change the color, because it will not be of black color. We will make it, just simply write color red. Yeah, that's okay. After this, close this one. Yes, now you have to go outside this linear layout, and now we will implement another one. So guys, here now you can write text view. Yes, and that will be my again wrap content, and then text color will be black, text size will be should be 15 sp, and then text color should be, and yes, black, because it is a caption. So where it is going, and you have to just simply delete it. Yes, because we are just going to implement it just after this linear layout. Understand? Because you can see that this is a linear layout outside this. So simply copy this text view from here, Control plus C, and then go after this linear layout, Control plus V. Now you can see that it is just vertical. So guys, here you have to change this ID, and that will be description. Understand? And then change the color, that will be Android, and that will be again black color, and the text size and all will be same. And yeah, that's okay. After this, guys, here you can see that now we have implemented that text view for caption, and also the all the childs and attributes has been given, but now here you have to give the hint. No, it will have no hint. Yes, or you can give if you want, but I will not give, it will be optional. Understand? So for example, that if user don't want to give any caption, so that's why it's not mandatory for you to implement it. So after this, guys, here you have to write constant layout, and that will be match parent, wrap content, height will be match parent, sorry, width will be match parent, and height will be wrap content. And after this, guys, you have to just simply, yes, inside this, so we can use a lot of things. So simply write image view, then that will be match parent and 300 dp, width match parent, height 300 dp, and then guys here you have to give the ID, that will be image view underscore post underscore item, understand, and then scale type center crop, then visibility visible, then yes, that's all. Close this one. After this you have to click on this red line, then red bulb, then add tools. Okay, now error is gone. Now guys we will implement the exoplayer, and exoplayer, because we are also retrieving the videos, so exoplayer is best when it comes to streaming videos in Android app. That's why we are going to use exoplayer. And for this you have to add those dependency in the Gradle build, and I will provide that dependency in my source code website rajjansharma1.blogspot.com, rajjansharma.blogspot.com. Yeah, not that one. So after this here you have to write player view exoplayer android UI player view, understand, and that will be match parent and wrap content 300 dp, not wrap content. Height will be 300 dp, and then guys here after this you have to write the ID, and that will be exoplayer underscore item underscore post. See, and then after this here you have to write use controller, that will be true, and show timeout, that will be 1000. It means that it will disappear, it will make the controls invisible after 1 second, and visibility visible, understand. Then resize mode, oops, resize mode, that will be fixed height. You can give fill, fixed height, whatever you want. And after this guys now we have this exoplayer, so you can again click on this, then suppress tools, understand. So now you can see that the exoplayer is pretty good. Let me switch to this design section. So if I will just make this invisible, so it is not making any changes, understand, visible. So guys, here is our exoplayer.com Google Android exoplayer.ui player view, understand. So guys, after implementing that exoplayer you have to just simply close this constant layout, because now its work is almost done. And after this you have to use here a linear layout, and that will be match parent, height will be wrap content again, and then orientation will be horizontal, because here we will use the buttons for like, comment, and other options like deleting, sharing, and all those things. Right, image button, that will be wrap content, and then again wrap content, understand. And then here you have to give the source. So we can leave the source for now, because we will just create it in just few seconds. And here you have to give the color, that will be Android color transparent, understand. And now guys here you have to give the padding, that will be 5 dp, yes, 5 dp. And after giving that padding you have to give the ID, the most important one, because that is how we can control the posts. Like button underscore posts, understand. And then layout margin left 10 dp, yes, that will be okay. After this guys you have to simply copy these codes again and again, because we will have three buttons. So control plus C, control plus V, then control plus V. So I can see that we have these three buttons, like button, and then this one is for comments, understand, and this one is for more options, yeah, more button. So guys after this here we have to import some dropables. Click on this drawable, and then new, then vector asset, click on this, then where is the heart, what is the name, is heart, I think we have to search it, and we will search it. So you can, I think this one is good for comments, yeah. So just import it, This is for comment. So here we will give it baseline chat bubble. We will give IC comment and then finish. Now we have this IC comments, and then again new vector asset. And here you have to again, after the comments we will search for yes, heart. You all guys know that how this like button really looks. Yeah, this one. And then enter favorite, then baseline favorite, then we will give it name like, then next, then finish IC like. Again click on this new vector asset, click on this, and we also need this one, because when you will dislike the post, so we have to show this one, understand? Then change its name, that will be IC dislike, enter, finish. Now we have dislike, comment, and last one is for more options. So here click on this, and we just need 3 dots so we can show other options. So yes guys, here you can see that this is more horizon, more vert, understand? So just simply more options, baseline, more options, enter, then finish. Now we have more options, understand guys? So now here you can change the, yes. So guys, here first of all you can see that this is one. So here you have to write drawable, and that will be IC dislike. Yes, IC dislike. You can see the IC dislike, and this is for comment. So here you have to write is drawable, and that one will be for IC comment. Yes, now we have this. And third one is for more options. So here you have to write drawable. Oops, drawable. That will be for more options. Oops, more options. So guys, you can see that we have these very basic 3 things, understand? So after this, here what you have to do is yeah, just simply open this comment and just remove this line, and then also add the color, that will be black. Then for like, and this one is for dislike, again remove this line from here, and then simply add the color black. And then for like, again remove the color, and this time you have to make it color red. Yes, okay. So after this you can close all these tabs, just close these files. Yes. So guys, you can see that we have now these 3 options, and after this we have to just implement a very basic text view. So we will just copy it from here, Ctrl+C, and then after this linear layout you have to just paste it. Now we have this, and you have to just simply, it will be likes. Yes, TV likes post, understand? And text will be likes, and text will be black. Yes. After this, Ctrl+V. This one is for comments, so it is for TV comment. And after this guys, here you have to give the color will be gray. Yes, not black, you will give it darker gray, that will be okay. And text will be guys comments. Yes, I think that's okay, understand? So guys, now we have these likes, comments, and let me switch to this design section so I can show you things more clearly. And now guys, here you can see that this is our UI, and how good looking it is, because we are retrieving both images and photos together. So you can see that this is I think we need to change the color of this one more. So let me go to the split, and yeah, just remove this line tint from here, and then here guys you have to add the black color, black. Yeah, now it's okay. So now you can see that it is also looking black. So guys, now we have these three buttons, and exoplayer, and a caption, and image view. So everything is good, I think. Yeah, our codes are correct. And in next tutorial guys, we will successfully work on the Java part, and then we will drive images and photos together. Understand? So just make sure you like this video and subscribe my channel, because I will show you the most and best tutorials of Exoplayer, Firebase, Android development. All the things will be great. So just subscribe my channel, and you will learn a lot of things. Yeah, trust me, I will show you the best tutorials of Android development. And guys, one more thing here, that after adding these dependencies, just make sure the version is updated, because if you will use the older versions, then it may create problem, and depreciated codes don't work anymore. So make sure the dependencies, I will provide these dependencies in my source code link. Yeah, don't worry, its link is in the bio. Sorry, its link is in the description. You can go and copy those dependencies. And if you are watching, if you have seen my Firebase video streaming app series, then you will definitely have these dependencies, because I have just made a complete series of Exoplayer and Firebase and videos streaming complete series. So its link is in the description box. You can go and watch that video. And guys, if you like my tutorials, you can also do donate. You can also do a donation. So its link is also in the description box. You can go and watch the tutorials. So guys, please, if you like this video, then please like, share, and subscribe my channel, because next part will be out soon. Thank you for watching.